Did you know the most valuable company in the world might be selling the wrong chip for the future of AI? So NVIDIA is worth trillions. Its GPUs power almost every major AI system today. OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, and thousands of startups. But something interesting is happening behind the scene. The companies building the future of AI are quietly preparing for a world beyond GPUs. The shift nobody talks about. For years, the AI race was about training models. Bigger cluster, more GPUs, and bigger models. Well, the real battle is shifting somewhere else. Inference. Inference is when model actually run. Every prompt, every chatbot response, every AI agent actions, and that happen billions of times per day. And that's where cost, speed, and infrastructure suddenly matter more than raw compute power. So why GPUs become default? GPUs were originally built to render graphics. Millions of pixels needed to be processed at once. That requires thousands of small cores doing math in parallel. So when deep learning arrived, those same capabilities turn out to be perfect for training neural networks. So GPUs become the backbone of the AI revolution. But GPUs are still general purpose processors, and general purpose tools are rarely the most efficient solution forever. The rise of AI specific chips, now we're seeing a new wave of hardware. AI accelerator designed specifically for inference. And that's why companies like SambaNova, Cerebras, and Groq are building chips that runs AI models dramatically faster. In some cases, 10x faster token generation, even thousands of tokens per second. And this is possible because these chips remove unnecessary general purpose logic and focus entirely on AI workloads. And the industry is noticing. NVIDIA itself recently partnering with Groq to license technology and bring some of that architecture into its ecosystem. Meanwhile, OpenAI has partnered with Cerebras to accelerate inference for large language models. Even the companies dominating AI are starting to diversify their compute stack. But speed, it's not everything. Here is the challenging. Running AI in the real world is not just about raw speed. Modern AI system often requires multiple models, massive context windows, and huge memory capacity. Agent workflows switching models in real time, and that's where another architecture enters the conversation. SambaNova. SambaNova took a different approach. Instead of optimizing only for speed, they built a dataflow architecture designed specifically for large-scale inference. Their processors are called RDUs, reconfigurable data flow units. Unlike GPUs, which process instructions step by step, RDUs process data flow graphs. Data moves once, computation flow through the system, and this reduces communication overhead and dramatically increase efficiency. And why this matter most for agentic AI? The next generation of AI is not just a single model. It's agentic orchestration, many models. A reasoning model, a coding model, a summarization model, and a retrieval model. So traditional GPU infrastructure struggles here because switching models required loading new weight into memory. That process can take seconds. SambaNova's architecture uses 3-tier memory, on-chip SRM, high bandwidth memory, up to 24 TB of DDR memory per rack. And this allows multiple models to stay warm and enables true hot swapping. And the best part, model switching happens in milliseconds. The SN50 chip, SambaNova recently introduced the SN50 RDU, it delivers up to 5x faster performance than competitive chips, 3x lower total cost of ownership compared to GPU cluster, and support for extremely large models like DeepSeek R1 with 671 billion model parameters, and massive concurrency for agent-based AI workloads. The industry is responding quickly. SoftBank is deploying SN50 system in the next generation AI data center in Japan. And Intel has entered a multi-year strategic collaboration with SambaNova to scale AI inference infrastructure globally. Investors have also committed $350 million to accelerate manufacturing and cloud capacity. And what this means for Europe. For organizations in Europe, infrastructure sovereignty is become critical. And that is where Infocom enters the picture. Infocom has fully deployed SambaNova's RDU system inside German data center in Munich. This means companies can run advanced AI models using SambaNova's technology entirely within the EU. No US Cloud Act exposure, fully compliant with GDPR and the EU AI Act, and built specifically for enterprise scale AI workloads. The bigger picture, the AI industry is moving from a model race to an infrastructure race. Training creates the boom, but inference will power the AI economy because every AI product depends on running models millions of times every day. and at the scale. Efficiency wins. Energy efficiency, latency, throughput, and infrastructure cost. In the last, I would say NVIDIA is not disappearing tomorrow. Its ecosystem, CUDA software stack, and manufacturing partnerships gives it enormous momentum. But the landscape is changing. SambaNova, Cerebras, Groq, TPUs, and many new accelerators. The AI chip war has only just begun, and the winner may not be the company with the biggest model. It may be the company that builds the most efficient infrastructure to run them.